Welcome to the Motor Show. Here we have videos and shorts every week. Come along with us into the world of engines and speed. And in this video, you are going to watch a compilation of idiot drivers on the street.
Yo! Vixe, mi Mazda poi.
Ты долбоёб!
Whoa! Don't hit us. What?
It's been there for like 1 day. How to quit? What is this thing doing?
I have no idea, dude. I'm getting away from him.
Oh, there you go. Slow down.
Jesus, dude.
Oh my god.
Wow. DVN4.
Oh my god. But in an oral culture, there's no way to compare the text. You've heard it, and you just have to remember it to know if this next...
He's asked me to... He tugged at his... invite you to dinner. I nearly burst out laughing. Dinner? With...
It was like an OD and he died on the toilet. You know, writing a song about that kind of disillusionment, that's pretty much what that was.
Oh my god.
In a ska band than having to wear a cummerbund performing at the Met. It's a little... He was born in 1957 in New York City.